To create a wallet on Trust Wallet, start by downloading the Trust Wallet app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Create a New Wallet. You will be presented with the option to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. Choose the Create a New Wallet option and proceed. You will be asked to create a 6-digit passcode, which will be used to secure your wallet. Make sure to choose a passcode that is unique and not easily guessable. After creating your passcode, you will be presented with a 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. So make sure to write it down and store it in a safe place. Do not share your recovery phrase with anyone, as it can be used to access your wallet and steal your funds. Once you have written down your recovery phrase, you will be asked to confirm it by selecting the words in the correct order. After confirming your recovery phrase, your wallet will be created and you will be taken to the main screen. From here, you can add cryptocurrencies to your wallet, send and receive funds, and view your transaction history. It is recommended that you enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. You can do this by going to the Settings menu and selecting the Security option. Creating a wallet on Trust Wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can create a secure and reliable wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. It is also important to note that Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, which means that you have full control over your funds and your private keys are stored locally on your device. This provides an additional layer of security and gives you full ownership of your cryptocurrencies. Overall, creating a wallet on Trust Wallet is a simple and secure process that can be completed by anyone with a mobile device. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can create a reliable and secure wallet to store your cryptocurrencies.